In this video, we show additional menus in the Next Experience UI to help you locate resources. Let's start with the Workspaces menu, which displays all the workspaces available to you. Workspaces improve your efficiency by providing a single view of everything you need to access your and your team's work tasks and get full context, including analytics and AI-assisted recommendations. From the All menu, we can locate every application menu and module that we have access to, including forms and lists in the Classic environment. We can also access workspace pages here. The History menu provides links to every page we've visited, whether it's in a workspace or the Classic environment. Users with the admin role will also see the Admin menu, which provides links to resources for administrators. You can also create custom menus for your users. In this example, our administrator created a menu for product owners to access Agile development modules. Customized menus provide just what users need to increase their productivity and efficiency. For more information, see our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.